In June of 2025, our community was decimated by a terrible, terrible hailstorm. We had damage on the building, we had damage on the glass. Our used cars, new and used cars, were both damaged. That's when our introduction to Bailey's was possible and was made. And we just can't thank them enough for the outstanding service, friendly, professional craftsmanship that they did with our cars. Everything from the estimate, again, to the friendly staff. They took care of the estimating of the cars. Again, they had our entire lot looking brand new again in less than a month. They even brought us revenue afterwards by taking care of our customers after the storm. And even to this day, 10 months later, they're still continuing to take care of our customers. We can't thank them enough. We appreciate the business partnership with Bailey's in Fargo.